To be justified means to be pronounced by God to be in the right, to be guiltless. It involves a divine legal pardon whereby God cancels our sin and guilt, and we are declared righteous before Him. Now, notice that this is a legal or a forensic declaration. And in that sense, it is different from a moral transformation. When a person is justified, he is declared by God to be righteous, to be pardoned of his sin. But he doesn't automatically become a virtuous, loving, good person. That is a process that takes years of development and is called sanctification. So both of them are important. Justification is the legal change of status that we undergo, and sanctification is the change in our moral condition over time as the indwelling Holy Spirit conforms us increasingly to the character of Christ.